Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open First National Bank checking account online. So first we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to search for FNB Bank. So next we're going to scroll and click on the link as you can see. So this is their official website. The next thing we're going to do is going to click on the bank option as you can see. Then there are numerous options. Depending on your preferences, you can choose whichever banking you want. So I personally chose the personal banking option. So as you can see, there are different personal banking methods to open an account. So you guys could choose whichever is convenient. I chose this one. We're going to click on open an account. Then next, it's going to ask you for your personal details. There's an application form you're going to have to fill prior to this. Then we're going to write the RSC ID number as well as your cell phone number. So this is how you open your FNB Bank account online. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I'll see you again. Goodbye.